Today is a good day to talk about Joomla's Installer Plugins. Brought to you by mysites.guru. Do you have a Joomla site? Of course you do. Head on over to mysites.guru and get a free site audit for it. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 273 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel, where I show you my favorite extensions, tools, and tips for building and maintaining Joomla sites. Also work on Joomla sites, build them, maintain them, migrate them to Joomla 4. So if you're looking to hire someone short-term or long-term or just to get you out of a spot, send me an email, tim@cybersalt.com. All right, why the topic today? Well, let's turn our attention to the screen. And as we do, we're going to go somewhere because it's going to spin for a little bit and not do anything. And that is partly why I'm talking to you about it. We'll go to System, Install Extensions, and you'll see right here, the Install from Web tab. That's just going to spin for a while or cycle through the Joomla logo there. That's because the company that does the web hosting for this part of Joomla is down. At least the server that this part of Joomla is on is down. Has been down for a couple days. They're having a bad time for an internet provider. And now listen, while this is spinning and finished, I just want to say, you know, the temptation for us when things are down or things happen beyond our control when we're working our sites is to do what I often do sometimes initially. It's old man rage. You just want to get mad and yell at somebody, or you just want to complain, or just, nothing comes from it. It's not going to happen anything faster. And you know what? This is a pretty good company. One of the better bulk hosts or group hosts or, hosts that have a lot of people on their server. It's pretty good. I'm going to mention their name because I don't want to think I'm throwing them under the bus, but stuff happens. But so what's happening though is that this tab is taking forever to realize there's nothing to connect to, and that's really slowing down working Joomla sites if this tab is first. So I just want you to see how we can manage these tabs. To do that, we're going to go to System, and then we're going to go to Plugins. And then under the filter options, we're going to go select type, and we're going to go to installer. Now you're going to recognize a bunch of these, maybe not the override installer, but look, here's install from web, install from upload, install from folder, install from URL. The same tabs that we see in the install extensions area. But watch, if we click on this column here to sort in order, this turns into 3 dark dots, and we can now see the order that they appear, and look at that, install from web is at the top. If we don't want it to be checked first, all we have to do is just move it down one or a bunch. Let's move it down 2. Now when we go to System, I'll do it in a new tab, System, Install Extensions, right away it pops up with the upload package file. There's install from folder and then install from web. Now, if I clicked on that, it would start to spin because it's not there. It'll start working soon enough, or install from URL. So you can change the order of these plugins for convenience, perhaps if this is not working, or even if there's one that you use more regularly. In fact, there's no rule that says that you have to have all of these on. So if you wanted to turn off install from web for a little while, you could have it in the first position, but you could disable it. And then when you go back to install extensions, refresh, the tab's not even there. Until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites and God bless.